All right, so I know we are very excited and we want to get to it, right? So before we move forward to do other things, like for instance, learning about Kotlin or go dive right into Compose, whichever path you choose, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to build a simple app called Business Card, okay? JetBiz Card. So essentially, it's a very simple app. As I said, we will have, as you see there, a picture at the top, and then we're going to have a name, and of course, the profession of this person, of Twitter account handle, and of course, a button. Once that portfolio button is clicked, we are going to show a list of their projects. So let me show you now the actual app working on an emulator before we start building it. So here is a little demo of what we're going to be building. Okay, it's very simple, like I said, but it will showcase the power of Android Jetpack Compose. The app is running. As you can see here, we have a profile picture, and in the background, if you can see, let me make this a little bit bigger, perhaps you're going to be able to see. You can see we have this very nice background, rounded corners, and we have a profile picture, divider, name, and of course, Android Compose programmer, the title of this person, and then their Twitter account handle there, and of course, the button. The beauty here is that the portfolio button, when you click, it's going to show a list, of course, of all of the projects of this person. All of this is dummy data. You can see it's a list. You can scroll up and down. Okay. If you click back, it's going to go ahead and of course toggle the contents of our projects. Really nice. So this is what we're going to be building, and we're going to have a lot of fun. Okay, let's go ahead and get started.